This is the Ratcheting D-Sub Pin Crimp Tool. This crimp tool is a professional-grade, all-in-one tool with a hardened steel die set. The crimp tool is designed to crimp both standard and high-density D-sub pins, and is only used with 18 to 30 AWG wires. This versatile tool has ergonomic covered handles for comfort, and is a perfect addition to your tool set. The Ratcheting D-Sub Pin Crimp Tool is the perfect tool for all your cabling projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.